In today's video, we're going to tackle an issue that most people have in America today. It's a first world problem, really, but it's about porch pirates. That's right, people stealing packages off your porch. Previously, I've shown you how to install a doorbell camera right here at the door, looking forward to detect people. And it works as advertised, but it couldn't work for my house because this is the layout of my house. It's a regular 3-story house. Here's the front, here's the back, here's the basement. The weird thing is that you have to walk a bunch of stairs up and then you can deliver the package here. We can't use the doorbell because this is a major sidewalk in the city. A lot of people walk back and forth in this sidewalk right here. So this camera will give a lot of false detection on who's actually on my porch here. We're going to solve that by using this ceiling light mounted on top of my porch. This ceiling light is awesome because it has radar pointing down to detect movements in this area. This is the light that I got from Amazon. It's about 16 inches in diameter. Here's the radar that I was talking to you about. Here are all of the dip switches for various settings. You can adjust the sensitivity of the radar. You can adjust how long the lights turn on, turn off, whatsoever. Here's a Rubik's Cube next to it just for size comparison in case you're wondering how big it is compared to a Rubik's Cube. These are LEDs. They are very bright. In my previous video, you saw how I connect a Shelly 1 PM. So that way, whenever there's motion detected in the area, the light will turn on. When a light turns on, it consumes a lot of power, and the Shelly 1 PM is great for detecting power consumption. So whenever there's a lot of power consumption, I get a notification, as well as there's a bell inside my house that rings to let me know someone's on the porch. Take a look at the link in the description section to see how I set this Shelly 1 PM in greater detail. Here are all of the dip switch settings. There's 10 of them. For me, I have it sensitivity up to 20 feet. So this is for dip switch 1 is off, for dip switch 2 is on, and so forth and so on. There's a daylight sensor. There's daylight sensor, so that way if somebody is on the porch, the lights will turn on or off based on the daylights. Here I disable it. That way it's always on when somebody is detected. If you want, you can just copy my settings. Here are all of the dip switch settings. And here it is. Here's the ceiling light installed. It looks very futuristic, very modern. Let's take a look at my automation in Home Assistant. Here I name it Auto Ring Wind Chime Sound when Shelly 1 is up. Up meaning that the power is up a certain level. Looking at the trigger, you can see that the entity that I'm monitoring is power. When it's up above 20, with the condition that it's after 6 a.m. and before 9 p.m. because I don't want the wind chime to be ringing on and off all throughout the nights. This radar is so sensitive that it will detect squirrels and, I don't know, maybe even rats. So that's why I don't want the wind chime, and the wind chime is really loud, to be going off during like 10 p.m. For the action, when somebody is on the porch, it will ring my Ring version 2 keypad with this settings that I previously covered in another video. Alright, hopefully this video helps you catch a porch thief or let you know who's at the porch, so that way you can run to the porch and get your package before it's stolen. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.